Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Cakewalk Sonar on your Windows laptop or PC step by step. Cakewalk Sonar is a powerful professional digital audio workstation designed for serious music production. It's ideal for producers, composers, and audio engineers who need advanced recording, mixing, and editing tools. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type cakewalk.com, then press Enter. Once the website loads, navigate to the Products section and select Cakewalk Sonar. On the Cakewalk Sonar page, scroll down until you see the download options. Click on Download for Windows. The installer will begin downloading. This will be in .exe file. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If Windows shows a security prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to run. The setup wizard will open. Click Next. Review the information, and accept the license agreement. Choose your installation location, or leave it set to the default, and click Next a few more times. Then click Install. Wait a few moments while Cakewalk Center installs on your PC. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Cakewalk Center should launch automatically. If it doesn't, open the Start menu, search for Cakewalk Center, and open it manually. When Cakewalk Center opens for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in with your Cakewalk account. After signing in, select Cakewalk Sonar from the sidebar. You'll see Cakewalk Sonar listed along with other available content such as plugins and add-ons. For this tutorial, you only need to install the Cakewalk Sonar application. Click Install next to Cakewalk Sonar, and wait while the app downloads and installs on your system. You don't need to install any additional plugins or add-ons right now. You can always download those later if needed. If Windows asks for permission during the process, click Yes to continue. Next, select your preferred language and click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next again. Click Next a few more times, then click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Cakewalk Sonar should launch automatically. If not, you can open it any time from the Start menu. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed Cakewalk Sonar on your Windows laptop or PC. Cakewalk Sonar is the right choice if you're looking for a full professional digital audio workstation with advanced mixing, editing, and production tools. If you prefer a simpler and faster workflow, Cakewalk Next might be a better option, but for power and flexibility, Sonar delivers. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.